Hi guys, welcome to Baby Led Weaning Recipe. If you are new here, I am making different dishes for babies to have a healthy plate and posting new video on every Tuesday. Today's recipe is garlic chicken. Take 100 gram of chicken in a bowl, add a tablespoon of pepper and salt, marinate it and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, mix it and keep aside. I have taken 4 to 5 parts of garlic, grate it into fine pieces. Then add half lemon juice, squeeze it, and then 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Mix it well so that no lumps found. Now let's start the cooking process. So take a hot pan, add some coconut oil and place all the chicken on the pan. Let the chicken get cooked. We are cooking the chicken breast pieces, so it gets cooked so quickly. Flip the other side to get cooked. Once it is cooked, it turns to a crispy chicken and it's soft too. So transfer the chicken pieces to a plate. So now let's make the dressing for the chicken. Add a tablespoon of butter in a hot pan and let it melt. Then add the grated garlic. Once the raw smell disappears, add a tablespoon of wheat flour. Add few amount of water. Mix well so that water thickens. Add the lemon juice and jaggery mix. The water gets thickens. After a few minutes, add the chicken. Give a good mix with the chicken. You can also add kasuri methi for seasoning, and this is optional. It gives a good smell. Once it is cooked, it's ready for plating. Now the delicious garlic chicken is ready to serve for your baby. And your baby is gonna love this recipe. Share to your friends and family if they are going to be useful with this channel. See you on next video. Bye. Thank you.